Yo bafethu, welcome to Empirize 2230. I'm your host Nkosana Mavuso. Namhlanje sinesivakashi sethu la esisivakashele ozozi-introduce yena futhi omkhulu. Welcome to Empirize 2230. Sacela ubingelela bamleli emakhaya.
Yeah, sharp. Sanibonani. Chris uvusa intombela lo. But abantu abaningi babaza ngobhuti Mgaga or uBlack Dog.
Shosho futhi omkhulu. Sike sabona futhi uvela eGreenini ema-TV sibukela and si-inspired thina ama-actors eKasi ukuthi nangubhuti oseKasi uyavela naye kuma-local screens. Futhi omkhulu awusicocele-ke ngejini yakho from ukuthi ufike lapho kusukelephi after school isikhiphi.
Yo. Emfethi yilo impilo yami ndoda isuke ekudeni kakhulu. Okay, sharp. Before I started acting on television, okay, asiqale ekuqaleni ngisesemncane. My mom used to tell me ukuthi ngisesemncane crash I was acting. I didn't know that. Bengakwazi lo. But being acting isangoma all in net. Okay, sharp. But again, give me iqale from Emihlwane. High school, guys. I met this other guy, but you Peter Skosana. Was while I pola Mafurumi. Peter Skosana, okay, Bamkash High School. Which I cheese. My big Navanyavangani, use Navangan Bama Bespet. Food, I think you know them. Bespet and JB, this is General and G. And then what you are no Funigabanta was act. Not big nama competition way in Pumalanga as a whole on my high school when they were e competition. Sharp I or figure or bucket. But I still want to was actor. I can monkey but I so actor. No papa wait. No papa wait but I know so actor. I think so you one I'm gonna buy. Aye. I think by now. No via long time to beat. That's where I realized Gucci. No man, I've got this. Because I was acting any party where I had to die. Lang if I corner. Okay, but it's 16 June. So good to Chulumuntu. The guy liked the way I felt. Ngendlela ngayo wabona ukuthi ayengeke lo okay sharp sorry ni kwakithima senza lokho esikwenzayo baba mnandi okay sharp ay sawina imehlwana when it was 05 yeah 2005. And then that's where I realized, good man, I've got this. This is in me. And it has already been in me, but you have to go into good time. Now we're going to start again, man. Chamala will be the daughter. And Funu with me now, who funded look at our next. Me in a monkey to metric, funded look act. Kabang, who are Kabang act in your life. In your life, who are Kabang with that thing you act. Nah, okay. I went to Pretoria after my matric in 2004. Come on, okay, 2006. Because I failed standard 8, I failed standard 9. Yeah, sharp. Monfie Pretoria. I was with this other guy, Umgano Mumishek Mashiko. I think you know him, Shaming Umbona and all that. Mishek Mashiko, we went there. Business next. Peter being a yasiki, being Kalupumikaya, but not Pumelanga Panty. Sapuma, we didn't have a place to stay. We didn't have a place to sleep. But we went there. The cinema, I was peeling Mali, don't get the sharp. Salala a fresh peel. Sabuya. Peter. It's funny scale, bro. It's funny scale. At the Minangate. I'm really kind of a long scale. While I'm a solid scale of our crinshop mucha, Chamalang Patadela, but then I fool him. Patalel Chama of a shop. manje ngiyambona ke as the time goes by uyasho ukuthi mntwana wami uzoba usidumo angibiza ngosidumo hathi mntwana wami uzoba usidumo ngizombona eTV batshela bobra bakhe but unfortunately chama lami lishone 2010 azange ngibone eTV and then uqala kwami ukuphuma eTV it was 2012 ngaphuma ku Generations as an extra. Can you imagine how much I got paid? I'm with you, my guy.
For clip song?
400 rands. 400 rand, man. 400 rands. Okay, I understand that because kimi bengasuthi ngifuna uku-actor, ngifuna imali or ngifuna lento le yavuka. Okay, sharp ngaqhubeka. Nga-actor kwesinye story same year. Yeah, the same year. Ngayithatha kwesinye story ngiyetha nomunye ubaba bambiza uSibeko emzini wensizwe uBravafana, the late Bravafana bese ekha esinye story bathi i-Payback. Nakhona was an extra ngisesenama-dreads bekunama-dreads ke ngisakhula ngiyakhumbula bekunama-dreads ngisakhula. Okay, ngaba lapha ngihleli ibhanje ngithenga utshwala okay sharp Bravafana uke weza kimi but mfana ibikadisi ungavumeli ukuba extra ngathama I know but isimo sami manje asingivumeli ukuthi ngibe lani khona wathi hayi ngongitshenge isimo sakho wena pusha ukuthi uncenge ngathi okay sharp time 2012 okay sharp ngaba grand nga relax ngathola ispan. Okay, ngikashona thama lami ngathola ispan ukuthi nami ngincede ekhaya ngoba ekhaya yimi umkhulu vele umfana kunomfana wami ongilandelayo and then no Cherry si3 ekhaya. Okay, but sharp si4 besiswami umunye wakababa. But after that after 20 time ngabona ukuthi no I must man up because already nalisebenza emakhishini lifika ne5 open endlini so bekumele ngimncede naye already okay ngihamba ngasebenza eKendal but ukusebenza kwami eKendal wasn't that ukuthi ngiyasebenza ukusebenza kwami eKendal it was ukuthi ngincede already lami ukuthi ngasukuli not lento engiyifunayo but I got tired 2012 ngathi I went back to acting ila qale khona ku Generations lento bengisho okay sharp I relaxa. I got this other girlfriend you athi indoda kusuwelo okay sharp ngirelaxile aba like us vele bangazi abantu abaningi bengizirelaxele nje yani do Cherry wathi indoda wena uya-actor wena mhlawumbe uyamazi ngizokutshela ngaye masiqeda ukushuta la yeah ngizokutshela uyamtshela. And then ngahamba naye wangikhomba amanye ama-audition ngahamba naye ama-audition wakhona ngapop ama-audition wakhona bekuyilo Indlalifa. I went there being auditionela omunye umuntu and then I got another part but no man come on can you act as a drunk guy? That's my profession. Acting is in me. I did the part bangtand. After okay, before I went out, they clapped. Because they're already showing me good. I've got the part.
Yeah.
I've got the part. So when I went back to Mpumalanga, I was at Johannesburg. When I went back to Mpumalanga, I told my girlfriend, baby, you told Lily partly. Hi, when we was to Lily partly, I back for the you went there. What I saw gave me a courage with me to gave me a confirmation with me to okay sharp after 2 days. It's very rare with Bakfonele within 2 days. After 2 days Bakfonele they told me we told you party not the one you were auditioning for, okay, but the one we told you to portray. I ngoba njalo ngavela ku Payback ku Indlalifa ngadlala ngubhiza. And from there, I thought to myself, no man, into ivele lento bengifuna but nayiyenzeka manje. Like I'm telling you ukuthi izinto zazenzekelela so. Zazenzekalela. Okay, this lady bengihambe naye lapha kulama audition waku Mdlalifa. We went our separate ways, and then I got another one who introduced me to this agent that I'm with right currently, LJ Talent. Yeah, I've got this other lady who owner the agency. She liked me. Ngangena ku Rhythm City. I think you remember Rhythm City. Ngena ku Rhythm City. After Rhythm City. Okay, Rhythm City being actor as intwana ka Toolkit. There was this guy who Prapol. Salute Prapol Maile. Ngixolele Prapol mangibizisa isibongo sakho kabi. Prapol, he was Toolkit laphana. Bengispanela yena. Okay, sharp. Ukuspanela yena bese ke uDavid Jinaro yangitshontshe. Like us bangibiza ngoJinaro. Like us bangibiza ngoJinaro. If not Jinaro uBlackdo. I'm still coming endaweni ya Blackdo. Ngasebenza ku Rhythm City kwaba look down, Rhythm City yavalwa. Okay, sharp. Ngasho ngokuthi yo, character yami ngathi iyaphakama ke manje ispansi yaphela. Yo, mangiwenza njani? But I knew ukuthi ngine agent engifrustana. Sharp. Agent yami ngayibona ngathi ngenzela kancane. I went my own way. Ngihamba ngoziphandela ngakena kuSibaya on my own. KuSibaya bengihata. I think you guys will remember makufa uThandeka wakasibu. uSibu angisho bekagijimisa labantu ababulala uThandeka. Banoduma bababulo. I think uDuma uSibu baboshwa boYouTube baboshwa yini. Mangifika lapha these guys asked me ukuthi "Any license to drive?" Ngathi yeah, I do have. But you got driver wena? Ngathi yeah. Ngena ku B250. Ngixanini. Mina ngilomuntu uPablo Joke. Ngiyathanda ukudlala. Fika lapha ngipressa wonke lama button khanya ama light lapha. Wathi kanti lo muntu wena unjani lo? Hayi kahlike la. Ngihlike. Ngithi mara kusalayo nje driver. Okay, sharp, it's fine. Ngama ngabo Pusibusiso first time ukuzibona eTV. Okay, sharp mina ngizibukeli because I know what I'm doing.
Why?
Angizibukeli. Ngiyazazi ukuthi mina what I'm doing is perfection. I perfect every move I make. So kuSibaya, okay, sharp ngabukela khuphuka amagama babhala policeman. I have it in my phone. I screenshot it. Not I never screenshot it, but Tete Epic TV. To make my name. Baliwe policeman 1 Christopher Ntombela. That's me.
Yeah.
Ngajabule nyito ngathi okay, sharp. Okay, it went by COVID thing. 2021 ngaya ku uThwani Sibeba samtshela ngayo ukuthi mina ngavela eTV kayi1 ngafa. Ngavela ebengibadurela labantu bebangakhona ungibhadala. Sengiyadura phela manje sangimana ungithathe nje ukuthi Chris uzobhadala R300 bese ke uya no ngiyadura manje. Enye out yangilanda udriver, cast driver uyangilanda Southgate from la Ogis. Ngithi Ogis Springs days. Ngaba Boxback Southgate. Bangifone ndothi kuphi isilinde wena la. Mina uzoshoota. Ngidanga Boxback man. Bathumela driver. Southgate, hlike Southgate. Ngasa indawo. Nawu man number mo hlike Southgate phone lo muntu lo. Bangifike Southgate ngiyafona. Baba angilayi ngihamba ngeH1 so okay sharp vele ngiyazi ukuthi bangilanda angisase extra phela ukuthi ngiyogibela ngifike lapho bathi ugqoka impahla ezibongu ngikhiphe sinye no manje mangifika wardrobe nayi ibhaliwe Chris yami le
Yeah.
akusiwe umunye umuntu yami le
That feeling.
jo I got excited but bengicabangela because I know ukuthi ngibuya phi bengicabangela ama extra lawa engibuya kiwo because yazi there's one thing engifuna ukuyikhuluma futhi la ama extras abawathatha serious if kuyi lunch mele kuje ama extra kuqala insalela zama extra so transport wise basibona so ezinye izinto mina bezingangiphathi kahle not ukuthi mina ngilwa nelo nama productions nani but azikho right sasebenza sonke nami ngicale kuba extra bengisokola mfethu ngihlale nje bangibize bathi ngishuta ngo5 ngihlale ngishuta ngo10 lesikhathi ngihlala eMpumalanga basho bahlala eJozi ngiya ngani office and then but lucky that bengihlobo Soweto lucky that bengihlobo Soweto ngifone ngithi ekuseni mhlambe ngizolala lapho nakhona futhi mangiceda ukushuta kumele ngisibone ukuthi ngifika kanjani lapho so bengayithanda that thing and what I used to do ke mina ke I used to ukuthi ngihlale nama extra babuye bangibuza ukuthi wow uhlala nama extra nana ngida I've been here before I know how they are feeling so nina manje ba isolate mina ngizobabamba ngibanike impilo ukuthi ngawadi ngizofika nami ngisuka la angale okay angiphuma ngetorini ezibhaya nanani but ngiphumile etorini ezibhaya ngisebenzile kakhulu yes entweni eziserious mfethu
so mawufika la Southgate wakulande
untanga ke uyangifonela achu ngilindene nawe ngathi uhamba ngana ta ngihamba ngeHY mangithi ngiyayibona angigibele sifaya atachu wena ngisokolisa wena ngithini bra wami angiteni phela mina ukuthi kwenzakalani nana ngithini mfowethu athi ndoda wena ushuthi sine 1 bese uyajika ubuyela eMpumalanga kumele ngikhaphe futhi ngoba ngine script nginegama sine 1 angitshela ntanga wena uyabadurela labantu ngibadurela njani ngifuna umsebenzi kangaka angifika lapho okay sharp ngiact isibopho ibisidlala kuMzansi Magic isibopho fika lapha ngilwa nenye out siyaqabana ngamagama ngishayile out ngishaye vele ngidubule ngibulali istory siqala ngisho ngathi njani manje istory siqala sengiyafa okay sharp I know bona ungibhadala imali ecacayo ngoba driver wangitshela ukuthi wena uyabadurela labantu shoot mawukubiza right through hayi yabizi
yeah
yes mina sekakhulume kaningi ngemali yabo so imicondweni nami vele sengikhalile ukwazi the exact figures because thina siphuma elokushini brown thina siphuma eMpumalanga when we see these people on TV yabo we think they've got money we think zonke lezi zinto lezo yabo so today since in opportunity ukuthi avela phambi kwethu nje wena bro do you consider yourself as a celebrity mhlambe so mawuhamba la eKasi what are the response yomphakathi nje bese mawusase lapho vele ngifuna ukukhuluma kayi-1 when you started to see yourself on TV the response yasemphakathini nefamily nje how was life like and then yakubona usibona ukuphi and then bese namhlanje na uthi ungasicocela nje khambeke kanjani throughout the journey how has the journey been far
yabona wena bafuna ngizokutshela enye into ukuqala kwami uphuma TV okay azange ngizibone mina as an extra azange ngizibone ngabona uChero Selling Store bathi Gladys Mahula and then nakhona akatsheli mina next one sidlaleni akatsheli mina uthi hayi ngibona uvuse eTV estorini so okay sharp give okay by the time kwaba ukuthi nako but mina uyangazi mina I'm this guy I kept my calm no and still yabona kulezi zingitori futhi lezi ezinkulu engivelekizo I still keep my calm ngomunye umuntu mina i-acting I'm not doing it for fame or for imali. Okay, sharp bengibhizi ngikhuluma ngemali la. Obvious sonke sayidinga imali bafethu. Masisebenza, obvious at the end of the day you must get paid.
Okay, maybe just to make it simple, your biggest paycheck mhlawumbe yaba imali so. Like when I'm at just come in,
Mina I want to check even this is stool list bathi abadurela
yes.
ukuthi bokungana chance ukuthi you can negotiate the price.
Okay.
Adjust the fees.
Okay, sometimes it works per call. Per call ukuthi bakubize manje bazobhatala imali engaka. And then isibopho per call was 2.9. 2,900 rands
That was huge.
It's a shame. Like
per
that's
call.
Per call.
It might mean ukuthi bangibiza manje ngiyashuta ekubeni bakhohle ukuthi enye scene kumele ngishute futhi bangibize futhi on the same day. That's 2.9 again.
Oh.
Yes.
So it's each and every phone call that you get.
Yeah, and then I get on set.
In a payment, yeah. Yes. Ngifuna ukuthi umbukeli more especially umntwana osathi yena ufuna ukuba i-actor. I understand yonke lento
Yeah.
Ngena la, so this is the reality of what I'm going to face because when I've been there.
I'm still there, man. I'm still there, man.
So you didn't have a chance to negotiate or adjust the price?
No, because I had an agent. My agent used to negotiate for me because he or she also has a percentage there.
Oh.
So, Mina, when my agent tells you, Chris, we're going to pay you 100 rand, I go there because I need that 100 rand. I need that exposure. Which my producers and all these guys, bang born and see my potential.
So that I think an agent la comfort ali ngokungabe able to adjust because awufika ukuthi bathi abadurela akakuvaleleki ama channels there.
No. Agent lam lo watshela ukuthi ngifuna lo muntu it's not niche quotable. Hey, isingisi mana mada.
Negotiable.
What? Negotiable. Yeah. Negotiable. Yeah, so agent lam lo watshela ukuthi no. Mina nangi lo muntu enimfunayo nangi. Because yabona mama mojona i-agency we take pictures and all that and then babuye bakutshele ukuthi lo muntu omfunayo nami but yeah uye lo simfunayo siyamfuna lo athi lo muntu lo ufuna 10,000 ngaye per call but ish 10,000 that's okay 9 we are negotiate until lona ayifunayo yena because he or she has a percentage there. Let's say ngikhola 100,000 yena uyazi ukuthi uthola 30,000 mina ngithola 70. See, that's where it goes. And then kulo isibopho like me, my agent was their last option. Because she called me about 9 athi Chris ukuphi ngathi ngisempumalanga Witbank ePola la ngihlala khona athi you have to be in Johannesburg almost 7 kuseni ngathi I'll be there but I know you because she knows me, she trusts me. Sometimes she used to call me, where are you? Ngathi ngicela ukushoot at Judy, I have to go home. I don't go home yet, I'm still looking for a job for you. And which comes okay, this is a good money. But I never I worked on Black Door. I think it was for 2 weeks. But on Black Door I was in Black Door for a month. I worked on Black Door for 2 weeks. After these 2 weeks, I think I rested for 3 days. After 3 days, I was on another set. Opera African story wrote on the casting.
Okay, JV African.
Abikinyana, my brother. 10 Africans.
Okay.
10 Africans here, Abikinyana. It's a real hard no. Yeah. So I stayed a week or it's not even a week. I think it was 4 or 3 days. She called me. Me and my agent be like this. We like this. My girlfriend used to be jealous. Baby. Honey. She called me honey. Honey, are you available? Yes, I'm available, baby. How are you? I'm good, baby. You're working tomorrow. We had that relationship. Sorry. We had that relationship. With Chrissy, he knows with Chris, when I need you, I know you're there. And when I before I acted on Written City, I had there's this other lady called Humutso. She called my agent. She asked her, "Where's Chris?" She knows me. Where's Chris? Chris is available. I need Chris to audition for this part. Bring the part out. But I need Chris to audition for this part. I was there. This lady called me to give me Chrissy. I know you, Mfanam. When you were the second one, gube low kala. As I told you, part be true. Not good. Now I'm going there. Okay, not because nyasola u etawami or nyasola italental game. No. Kunabanye abantu ngaphandle Joe. That's fun. That's fun. That's fun. Angeke ngithi mina ngikhona ukugijima ukudlula wena. Okay, sharp nyasazi ngiyakhona ukugijima ukudlula wena. Leso sikhathi ke ekseni ngivuke inyawo libe buhlungu. Ngizame ngigijime ngiphume number 2 uphume number 1. That's what it is. That's what it is, my guy.
So in terms of the competition, the recently, because we've seen on social media that some actors, they are unemployed, they are staying at home. Some of them, social media have been fundraising for them.
Yeah.
So how is that, man? The competition and the obviously getting some job.
Okay, there's one thing mina engazitshela yona, of which I think people didn't understand. Acting is not into ungagqila kiyo. Usitshela ukuthi mina ngiya-actor manje. Ispan sami lesi lesi. No. Bheka manje is 2026. Ngicela uphume e-TV 2023. I never got a call back, I never got anything. I'm working manje in mine. I never got. Okay, acting ifuna ube ne fallback plan. Because angeke uthembele kiyo. Okay, sharp. It's fine. You can be a good actor like Abu Menzi Ngubane. Fuck, I wish to use. I really used to wish to work with him. Bob Menzi Ngubane, I like that guy. But angahlala naye 3 years. As good as he is. Angahlala 3 years angasebenzi. Shaputi.
So maybe on that note, what do you think can be the challenges ukuthi mhlambe i-career acting 2 months ngiyasebenza and then after that 2 months uthola ukuthi ngiperforme at my best.
Yeah.
But uthola ukuthi the next 3 years sekenzakala the weekends akala ngakhona kuwe. What do you think maybe kwenza kubanga konke lokho, because we saw some actors vele they have permanent careers, so mhlambe lokho ungazama ukuthi sizama ukuyilungisa lento even na for wena, even na for abanye abantu ukuthi now uyibheka wena as an actor. I mean, I've never acted, I don't know ukuthi what is engayenza ukuthi ngistuck so yabo.
Yeah. Enye into abantu abangaunderstand, aliki actor lokutshela ukuthi mina ngine permanent never.
Oh, so acting we don't have permanent.
Never. We all have a certain period of time, and we sign after this time. If abakuthandi, okay, some actors bayadelela bhuti angifuna ukukhuluma manje. Abanye ama actor adelela. Uzibona ngathi ha sengifikile ke manje. Yimi kanti no. Bakubheka Joe. And coming to what you've asked me, either way you present my directors and all that, calmness, your calmness and all that, your respect and all that, That's what counts.
So besides that, there are no politics that maybe they need.
There are abanye abantu yazi kufana nempilo as in general. Impilo ungangibona wena ungangithandi uJwanisa ngithanda ada uJwanisa msani uChris uJwana uChris hayi man uJwanisa ta samsani uthi asimnikeze i6 months 6 months uJwanisa kabheka umunye umuntu ukhohliwe ngabo wena ungikhiphi injalo.
So in terms of the viewership or your personal like viewership,
yeah,
how people view.
I get where you're going.
Yeah.
I get where you're going.
Does that give you chances
never,
to be absorbed?
Never. Ukuthi abantu bakuthanda kangakanani akusho ukuthi wena uzohlala eTV. Never. Into ezoyenza ukuthi uhlale eTV ukuziphatha kwakho nokuthandwa ilo production phela ngoba yabona khona into ukhona unye ubaba ngiyamsaluta namanje Mandla N nga actor kuye ku side dish wangibona uMandla N wathi nayi le ntwana le ngabuya nga actor kuye ku lockdown la bengiyisibosha khona ngithengisa ama drugs ejele yeah uke wathatha bonke nakhona bengi extra lobo bongibeke side please bonke ama extras wathi la ngathi please bonke ngiyasala ngiwanda khamela ngihlebela ntwana wena ngiyakwazi wena ntwana na intsangu na ugwayi wena uthengisa lapho okay shabe ngi-extra but bengi-extra leli livelayo ukuthi cace hayi leli livele lithi hayi bekuyimi lapha yimi ngithengisa intsangu okay sharp it went well. Go Black Door. I was there. Black Door yaga Mandla N, if you know. Mandla N, I salute that timer. I'm salute the Baba Luyan. Bese you, I think you cook mom ribs. Mom Linda so cool. I figure go Black Door. I figure Black Door. Angina mali, anga next. Izwe ngithi Mom Linda so cool kuphela. Nonkanyiso mngana umzima kroti ilo bathu nkanyiso ku lo isitha manje mina bengitha ku Black Door yeah awuchami ke le unka awucham so ngiyafika angina Fristan it's me for the braso yeah actually bengathana ngisho na ku lockdown uke wafika nala ikasi mse fika lapha ngiyambona Tamzi ngimbiza live nginamba plate Tamzi umfethu akunagwayi Chris usuka le Mpumalanga uza la eJoza unagwayi le awuthi iyangiphi 100 rand ngifike sethini ata mfethu bamba so abangibhukela nekari ukujike ngisowethu ngisuke la iPaul ngayisowethu ngemali yami ngafika la shoota khona sashoota until ngabo 11 ngoba 11 ngihamba apha isithuthi emahlathini le ngiyokuthola apha itaxi ngihamba ngani mamlinda wathi wakuphi ngathi ngasesowethu kibolungile masondo my sister is a DJ at Jose FM Lungile Masondo yeah sister athi usisi wakho bekangi-interview no last uhlala lapha eRockville ngathi ya ngata mfethu qala woza la wangibambisa endlini gibela la elo muntu eRockville lapha endaweni sewuzongitshela angisho manje singinelona angeke bangiphikise ukuthi ngiyapi angisi extra manje ngeke bangiphikise ukuthi ngiyapi so kwesinye isikhathi ukuba calm it helps kakhulu ne behavior it helps kakhulu too because kwesinye isikhathi uzofika lapha uthi manje sengibhobhile uthi abantu bathi ngiyadala uyaphapha lo yabona kube ngifike ngabaphaphele bengazi ukuthi ngiqeda ngabo 11 ebusuku ukushoot bengihamba ngani ukuteni kangaka bengihamba bengizibona nje ukuthi ngenza njani bengizibona
babukele emakhaya nazwela nani how you conduct yourself may lead to your pastures or may
Exactly.
lead to your end of your career. So Putomkhulu siyabonga ukuthi sibe nawe lana Mr. Joseph
Matisheshile director, matisheshile kuyivala.
akayivaleka sisaqhubekana
Sisekasi la wami mina recovering edit mina my brother yabo, and then I also go around schools.
Yeah.
Manje ngiyacela ukuthi uphumulayezo to kids who inspire to be like you, and then if you can be able to share ukuthi these are the steps to follow. If you want to see yourself la mina ngikhona,
Yeah.
this is what you should do. When now you are the only one who know ukuthi ufike kanjani ukusibaya nakuphi.
Yes.
Mina ngiyathanda ukuthi uphela platform to other kids abasesesikolweni, to other kids nje, and then usaselapho vele even to parents. Aba parents maybe lakithi esizweni esimnyama, they don't understand umntwana makathi ufuna ukuba i-actor,
yes.
ufuna ukuba yini. Yes, they don't understand it. You can tell them the benefit ukuba i-act, ukuthi what has changed in your life since you become an actor. And then on that note, before ivala, usale nje usivezela kancane nama-challenges nama-dangers wase-acting, because we see most of our actors they use drugs, they use zonke lento lezo nje. Njengoba sekazoyirep ubhuti nje, ngicela nawe usale ungirephela yona kanjalo nje inkulumo yakho bra.
Into engizoyisho nginabantwana nami. I do have kids and lento le ngiyayenza ngoba like azini. So omunye nomunye umuntu akenze into ayifilayo ukuthi le izongiphumelelisa. If uyabona omunye umuntu ukuthi le izongiphumelelisa, there's one thing I always tell people. This is not my first podcast. This is I've been out there. I've been telling people. I've been a role model. Go ebantwini abaningi. And people tells me ukuthi, but Chrissy, thina sifuna ukufana nawe ngelinye ilanga. I used to tell them ukuthi mina ngicala uku-actor ngingana backbone. I used to focus on acting only. Mina kuyimanje I'm a safety officer. I'm a project manager. After acting, mina ngathi mangikhetha u-matric ngagijima nga-state theatre ngafundela acting, not realizing ukuthi what I love akusiyinto ezongibenefita impilo yami yonke. I need ukuthi ngibe na something zokuthi mangithi nyawa inbalance. So into engihlala ngitshela abantu ukuthi okay, i-acting ungayithanda uyenze ikusebenzele. Akusithi nabangani abosidumo umtshali abuphala Sidladla abangani bami sharp bona baphumelele, mina angiphumelelanga. Sharp i-youth yethu kungaba uThepho wami aphumelele ku-acting ngoba babakhe ya-act, kube umntwana wakho Johannes angaphumeleli ngoba wena awu-act. Sorry, njalo. But mina umuntu ufuna uku-actor angeke ngidiscourage leyo. Kunemali acting. Kunemali acting, nginedladla mina eduva nginekari. Ikari yangiyangisa ngikhipha amazinyo. So okay ngincane manje. This year ngenza 40. Life begins at 40. Khani ngizocala impilo manje. But impilo yami ngiyiphilile mina. Ngiphilile impilo yami. Ngibe nemoto yangisa nginedladla. Nani. Yonke into ku grand.
So who took you to school? For
My father.
Project management. For
Project management. Nginomfowethu. Not ngegazi. Umfowethu nje sahlangana sibuya eDanaton sonke. Okay, sahlangana sathandana ngoba sibuya eDanaton. And then sawa nale bond. Sakhula sonke. Okay, sharp yena bekaSpana, mina ngifunda lo nini. But sibontanga. Besiphothi sifunda saqala i-company. Ngine-company mina ngiya supply. So isiridi sangithatha via i-company yami sangisa i-SK. Ngahamba ngofunda nani. Because untanga bekasebenza wathi ivaya mzala ngimdala mina. But thinking ukuthi angina next ne-acting phela. and naku manje ngihleli angenzi next sathi ngihambe ngifunda after ukufunda kwami ngabona ukuthi anazi ngiyasebenza mayisasoli sebenzisa soli underground ngigrand ngishap ngishot next so i-fall back into engizobatshela yona abantu abafuna u-act intwana zami fall back kumele nibe nayo nenze sure ukuthi mangabe nahluleka ku-acting not ukuthi ngifuna nihluleke if nahluleka ku-acting you have a fall back pen.
Mkhulu siyabona kama-celebrity
angisi-celebrity mina
futhi bazinamathela basifaka so udila kanjani ngale nto leyo ungaba encourage kanjani because inkinga yabantu abasha ukuthi umuntu masekazibona ngathi uphakeme bese uyamoshe ebantwini besifazane then bese baphelela endaweni yero.
yazi kwesinye isikhathi ifame yesikhathi esincane ivele iphele manje. Fame yesikhathi esincane ithi ukuthandwa umuntu ocabanga ukuthi unemali. Hayi khosi mina nginaye shemunye isisa seWitbank hayi mama bantwana bami lo go right okay nambe bangijimisa bangijimisa khona umunye shem ngamshela 3 years wangibona ku Rhythm City wanginbox ngathi baby yazi kunini ngilindile within a day. Okay, wanginbox Wednesday. Thursday ngathi iza kusasa weza kusasa yena wafika la wathutha kunomali wathi azange ngiphinda buyi cabanga ukuthi nginemali. So impilo zethu bafethu asizibambeni ngoba abanye abantu okay sharp acting inemali if uyafuna ukuthi ibe nemali kuwe. Yeah, if afuna ukuthi ibe nemali kuwe angeke ibe nemali kuwe acting.
So what other programs or plans ongawayenza mawu-acting but asasesilapho based on current social media yayibona seyisifikele kudala bokungana social media wena uqala uku-acta kunganabo TikTok bongakhona uku-expose talent lakho we had to go through ama-agency ukuthi ube exposed but manje sine space lapho social media sinabo wonke bantwini abasha nje ukuthi bangenza kanjani la
into engizoyitshela abantu ke manje ukuthi mina isipromote wena yourself gijima ukulo if uyabona ukuthi na ubhaliwe Black Brains search ukuthi Black Brains yakabani uzothola ukuthi hayi Black Brains musaka Mandla N uma solo kumhlokoloza uzosho usearch ukuthi le yakabani landelela okay that's what I want to say landelela phela landelela
mkhulu asihlabe umbuzo lapho
mina maybe before sivala nje where do we see uVusi Ntombela mhlambe in the next 5 years? I heard you say ukuthi you are still an actor.
I'm still an actor, yes.
So when if you had the power to do things your way,
yeah,
in the next 5 years uVusi Ntombela singambona mhlambe yena himself akuphi lifeini nje nako konke nasekasi lakhe nakuphi nje what can you expect kahle ngiyana usaqala futhi nokucala do you expect ukuthi uVusi Ntombela vele uzovuka eSpanish njengoba basho ukuthi uyaspana or we are still going to see uVusi Ntombela TV na this year?
Mr. Reta abantu kokuqala angisuvusi Ntombela Chris
hayi baba
Mr. Reta abantu mfowethu lo yazi mina bafuna ukutshelana mina not within 5 years 5 years nini kakhulu within the 2 or 3 years mina I'll be having my own production. I'll be directing my own movies just like Mandla M and I mean Susan, because I do have my scripts and they're related and I do have my characters like us. I do have, if you Google Pefeni Entertainment, you'll see them. So I'm a director by profession kahle u-actor kusinto yami u-actor ukuthi nje ngiyakompart kula kimphakathi so lento yonke so within 2 years you'll be seeing my name in screens directed or written by Chris uvuswa khona is VOOCY VOOCY Ntombela ila
Ne, mina sengayivala. Yes, la ngibizile ne. Sifuna ama-code.
Okay, asivale.
Sivale ne. Yes,
Sizwa asimposti kokugcina siyabuya nekusitigo
asibuye ngisesekhona.
Abukele emakhaya, this is a wrap up. Lo Nkosana Ramavuso, I'm your host. Nanizwele la sibele futhi. Sinayo futhi next week. Thank you. Good.
Yasibonga.
Sure.
That's sure.
Danko.